My name is Helen Benn and I am a blood microscopist, amongst other things, and I have a private practice at the Natural Health Centre in Barry's Bay in Ontario, in Canada. So today I'm going to share with you two images of blood samples before and after applying the Defend patch. So the first step was to have my client let me take a blood sample. Basically, it's a pinprick at the end of the finger. Put the blood sample onto a slide and put the slide onto my microscope. So what you're looking at here is a live blood sample under a dark field microscope. These round glowing discs are actually your red blood cells. So ideally, they should be evenly spaced and freely moving. Think of them like individual boats floating gently down a river. But in this image, as you can see, many of them are clumping together. And this can be a sign of poor circulation or dehydration or even inflammation in the body. And that fuzzy looking shape near the bottom on the left, that's a white blood cell. That's one of your immune system's protectors. So seeing it here gives us a snapshot of how your body is responding to internal conditions in real time. Live blood analysis like this gives us a unique window into our internal environment, almost like watching a movie of your blood rather than just looking at a still photograph. So it helps us better understand how lifestyle, diet, stress, etc. are affecting your overall health. So after the initial sample was taken, I applied a Defend patch on the forearm of the client. And then we waited and waited and waited some more. So we waited 45 minutes and then it was time to take the second sample. So again, same procedure as the first sample, pinprick at the end of the finger, put the blood sample on a slide onto my microscope. So as you can see, we're looking at the second image now. So compared to the first, you can see a big difference. These red blood cells are much more evenly spaced and round. They're not clumping together like before, which means they're able to move more freely and efficiently through the bloodstream. This shift reflects a healthier internal environment, an improvement in circulation and a cellular function, and the result is from the introduction of the Super Patch Defend patch. Nothing else changed. In the 45 minutes, there was no diet and lifestyle change, anything like that. It was just applying the patch that we see these results. So users often report noticeable benefits, but under the microscope, we can actually see these results, like these red blood cells moving freely, which means better oxygen transport and nutrient delivery. And importantly, it also suggests enhanced mitochondrial activity. So the mitochondria are the energy powerhouses of our cells. And when the blood environment improves, then they can function more efficiently, leading to better energy, immunity, and cell repair. So in the live blood analysis here, we can see the changes that are so powerful, and they visually confirm how the interventions like a non-invasive patch, the Defend patch, can support the body in real time. So, as you can see, from the first image to the second image, there's a marked improvement in overall quality. Initially, the red blood cells appeared clumped and overlapping, an indication of potential inflammation, poor circulation, or cellular stress. And in the second image, the red blood cells are round, well-formed, and move evenly. And they're more evenly spaced, and they suggest a healthier internal environment and improved cellular function. So this positive shift correlates with the introduction of supportive interventions, like the Super Patch Defend patch. So these visual improvements highlight how small, consistent changes, especially when supported by targeted tools like the Defend patch, can lead to measurable, meaningful shifts in health on a cellular level. So I hope this was helpful. I hope it was informative and it was interesting for you. And thanks for listening.